Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA Online timed out locating session error with some quick and effective steps. This issue usually happens due to network problems or strict NAT type. First, restart your PC and your internet router to refresh the connection. Next, check your internet and make sure it is stable, and avoid using VPN or proxy because it can block GTA servers. After that, try joining a new session or switch between public and invite-only sessions to reconnect properly. Now, log out of your Rockstar account and log back in to refresh your session. Also, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus, or allow GTA 5 through Windows Firewall so it is not blocked. If the issue still continues, enable UNP in your router settings or try port forwarding to improve connectivity. Finally, restart your PC again and launch GTA Online, and the error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.